All right, welcome back to another day of my life. Um, Today I'm making this video because I wanted to explain and share my experiences because recently I've done Bangalore Pune and Pune Bangalore on my Himalayan 450. And I wanted to share my experience, what are the path I've taken, how I dealt with my boredom on the highways as a solo traveler, which highways I have taken, what are the alternate options are there, and how can you easily go from Bangalore to Pune? What are the rest stops where you can stay a night or you want to do Bangalore Pune in a stretch? So everything I'm going to explain it in this video. So stay tuned. All right. So I've taken the Bangalore, Hubli, Belgaum, Kolhapur, Pune highway. Don't get overwhelmed with all the red dots of constructions because most of the road has been built but still shows on the map. But there are few stretches where you will feel the bump on your motorcycle or in a car because those are still under construction. But 80% of the road has been built smooth as cream. So I did Bangalore to Belgaum and Belgaum to Pune because I just wanted to take it easy and enjoy the route. That's where, because Bangalore to Belgaum, it's around 520-30 kilometers, and then there's 360 kilometers. But in time, it's an equal stretch. So 7 hours takes each on the road. So Belgaum is a small city, right? And you get a plenty of good options of hotel to stay at a very reasonable price. So I'll just mention where I stayed. So I stayed in two hotels while going and coming back. So the best part about the Bangalore Belgaum highway is just like 530 kilometers, 6 lane, and it is just smooth. There is not a single pothole that you will find it. And I would say it's boring as well because it's just plain highway and you just keep on going, same demographics, nothing is changing. But at times you can try your speed, stop speeds, and everything. You can do that in the highway because it's very calm, it's less of a traffic. But the moment you enter Maharashtra, the entire demographics changes. The road is shittier. I mean, like there are stretches where it's good, but most of it is just not that trustworthy, I would say. And you get a lot of sugarcane juices on the road. And also, the moment you reach to Maharashtra, the weather changes drastically. It's hot as hell. It was 38 degrees in mid of the Feb. Okay, so first day, um, Bangalore to Belgaum, it's easy. Its weather is pretty good. All the good options are there to eat. When you reach Maharashtra, next day, it is hot in the around 12 to 3 p.m. And there was a little slightly change of demographic as well. So you'll get plain lands, the guard lands. The guard lands are pretty less. It's just there's one stretch particularly where you will find the tunnels, the underpasses, and there's a lot of curves that happens before you reach to Pune. So I'll stop talking and let's follow my travel.
यहाँ से हुबली से ही लेफ़्ट कट जाता है गोवा के लिए और सीधे चले जाते हैं हम पुणे के लिए। तो गोवा से भी कोंकण रूट लेके हम पुणे जा सकते हैं, बट वो थोड़ा लंबा पड़ जाता है।
It's a bird, it's a plane. Smile is me though. Money making trend in this thing, dropping C notes. Yeah, I talk real big and I walk real big. Ran them out, running to that money I get. Now baby pose on them, gon' pop it like that. You know he broke, baby girl, he ain't got it like that. I go 9 to 9, rain or shine. When I clock in, yeah, I win every time. I tell him God bless me every day. I tell him run it back. Yeah, I hustle 7 different ways and then I run it back. Headed straight to the bank, like run it back. Getting so much bang, 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 run it back. God bless me every day. I tell him run it back. Yeah, I hustle 7 different ways and then I run it back. Headed straight.
और पहुँच ही गया। समय हो रहा है 7। चलो कोई नहीं, 6 बजे का टारगेट रखा था, 7 बजे पहुँचे। पर ठीक था यार, थोड़ा बीच में जो गंदा पैच था, अदरवाइज़ रोड बहुत मस्त है। और मेरा होटल भी आ ही गया।
Good morning. Good morning from Belgavi. सरप्राइजिंगली मॉर्निंग में काफ़ी ठंड थी यहाँ पे। मैंने तो एसी चला ही नहीं। बट मैंने एसी की बहुत ठंड लग रही थी, मैंने विंडो ओपन कर ली थी। view from here, it's just really good. See, it's a very good room actually. I liked it. I don't know what to do with the flickers. The room is good. It's very spacious, little costly, but it's a good place. It's near to your NH. I guess 5 minute थोड़ा अंदर है, but it's really good. The staffs are awesome. They are very helpful. अभी सुबह के कितने बज गए? ओह माय गॉड, 8 बज गए. अभी मैं ब्रेकफास्ट करूँगा. सब कुछ पैक हो गई है और यहाँ से पुणे के लिए निकलेंगे. डोसा वाज एक्चुअली गुड. काफ़ी अच्छा था. मैं लेट हो चुका हूँ. मैंने डोसा खा लिया क्योंकि अब तो अच्छा डोसा नहीं मिलने वाला कहीं पर भी. तो लाइट ब्रेकफास्ट आराम से चल रहा है.
Alright, let's go. It was good order actually. I like the staffs. They were very helpful. It's not very far if you see, right? We'll be just hitting to highway. Just here, left. यहाँ से ये लोग तो बोल रहे हैं रूट अच्छा है, बट देखते हैं. मुझे रियलाइजेशन हो गया अब मैं क्या भूल रहा था. बहुत जल्दी हो गया एक्चुअली. अभी 2 मिनट पहले ही मैं आपको बोल रहा था कि हमेशा लगता है. मैं भूल गया हूँ स्ट्रैप लगाना एक साइड का. पक्का से मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं भूलाऊँगा. इधर का तो लग गया है, उधर का देखना है. Back in Pune after 10 years. और अभी मैं हूँ हिंजेवड़ी एरिया में. लेफ्ट फेज़ 1 की तरफ चला जाता है. टू बी ऑनेस्ट हिंजेवड़ी एरिया नहीं बदला. 10 साल में भी वही है. बस थोड़ा केओस बढ़ गया है, थोड़ा सब्ज़ी मंडी जैसा हो गया, बट स्टिल सेम.